zig it out, zag it out, any out, bad man now, zig it out, zag it out, any out, zig it out, zag it out, zig it out, get to make number 1 tune, yeah. Zig it out, zig it out, zag it out, get a zag it out. Billy man of the girls, them sugar, the girls, them work class lover, the girls, them need this, the girls, when we love them, shape and figure. Yeah, the man, them with the girl admire, the girl, they make them ball up with a jar, and they got the girls, them power. Here we pull them, I sing like the other. Zag it, zag it, zag it. But I will just have to tell you this. It's been a while since I never hear you tell you this. You pop a cola back and shape another cherry lit. I know you all want me walk it up your weapon and lick it. I don't want to show you I'm a man that's every room I take. But you say me choose a girl and style me never itch. You think that you just me know that you me walk the shit. But listen when me sing this, make it sing. Really man of the girls them sugar. The girls them work class lover. I love them shape and figure. You know them need this nigga. The man them with the girls them admire. But the girls them love me body out. When they come with the girls them power. Look it on her ear when we are.
We are at the dog park. This is Santana's first time being at the dog park. You know, he can run around. Look at him. He's literally just going around sniffing everything. I want to let him loose, but he don't listen. He just takes off running. So I'm kind of scared. Tanny, come on, Tanny. He's just walking around. And sniffing. Why are you sniffing other pets? Santana is 5 months now. He currently weighs 7 pounds. He's only supposed to get up to 10 pounds, y'all. Every day we wake up at about 5 a.m. He goes out to use the bathroom. And then he eats his food, drinks his water. Okay, he about to take off. Sandy! Go, Sandy! Woo! He is enjoying this, y'all. Hey, little Yorkie. Get out of there, her. Come here. Stop it. He's so happy. Oh, look at me, proud mom. He's so hyper and active, y'all. It's crazy. Hey, hey. What's that? Get out of there. Get out of there. Get out of there. Come on. But he's going to dog school at the end of this month because he does not listen. And that's why I'm so happy nobody is at this dog park, because I wouldn't be able to let him go free because he was not going to listen. He was going to run up to everybody and they dogs. He have little dog syndrome. He thinks that he can fight dogs. Go, Tanny. Santana, clean up after your pet. Having a puppy, y'all, is really like having a kid, especially when they're like babies, because they have so much energy and he loves to be the center of attention. So since he likes to be the center of attention, y'all, if he can't get his way, he's literally going to cry and bark. Like if I put him in a crate and he don't want to be there, he'll cry. He'll do like revenge pee. I believe that Yorkies do revenge pee. He's so spoiled. He likes to ride in the car and he has to ride out the window. He'll literally jump all over you. Hey, hey, say hi. Say hi. Tanny, Santana, What's that? Say hi, Santana. He just in his own world, y'all. He's so spoiled, it's ridiculous. And he don't like wearing clothes. He had a bandana on earlier and he kept biting it. He's an ankle biter. Definitely will freaking bite your ankle. I had on like some pajama pants the other day and he bit them and ripped them. What's that? He's teething right now. I think, because I don't want my channel to be all about my dog, so I know people did like the dog video. So I am going to do like a monthly update. He's gonna be 6 months next month, so I think I'm gonna throw him like a 6 months party, and I think that'll be fun. Tanny, say hi, Santana. He just, hey, no, we don't know who dog that herd it is. He just exploring. Come here, come here. Say hi. Say hi to the people. And he gets really excited, y'all. Like if he see people. And he'll get so, stop, no, no, no. He'll get so excited, he'll pee. But I love him so much. He's so freaking adorable and cute. He just bad, like, he act like a little Chucky doll. Hey, Tanny. Say hi, Santana. Say hi. Sanny, look up. No, I wanna play. Here. See, this why I shouldn't have let him free, y'all, because he know I'm telling him to come here and he don't want to leave, so he running because he know I'm not about to chase him. Santana. This was not a good idea. Santana, come here. Y'all, this was horrible. I hope he gets tired. Santana, come here. You know what I'm saying. Look, watch him take off. Come here, Santana. Come here. Santana, come here. Y'all, this is not, I'm not playing with you. Sanny, come here. You, now you wasn't out here doing that a few minutes ago. You was out here sniffing. It's a trick. He finna act like he laying down, and as soon as I get close, he about to take off. Okay, he tired. He a little tired. Go, Danny.
Here in the clippers and stuff like that, I can say since he has a lot of puppy energy, because he's matted. Is it what he's a Yorkie?
Mm-hmm. No, that's a Yorkie.
Okay. Well, he has some really soft hair, so he's not gonna be black.
He's gonna look like his mother.
He's gonna be blonde. I'm gonna let.
He where he came from, a breeder.
Okay.
He used to playing with the big dogs and all of that.
Okay, he's very confident. The way you know a dog is confident is if their tail stays up. So he's very confident. He just needs training. And introducing the dog on the grooming table is totally different from you all kind of nurturing them at home and kind of hold them, because again, we do want them to be safe when we put them on the table.
Right.
You know,
Sandy.
he has to trust us,
Santana.
but that's how you know you got a confident dog, that his tail stays up. That's a confident dog.
He bad too.
When you call it bad, we call it confident. When they're a puppy and they're active, busy, he's confident.
Well, Molly used to be like that, but she's
That's the
35 or whatever.
Okay.
She had all that energy.
Is she fixed?
Yeah.
Sometimes it slows them down. And if you are going to get them fixed, I will wait.
Oh, this day dog.
No, he gonna have some kids.
Well, hope you'll be a good baby daddy. More than likely it'll probably be me or my brother Isaac. and we'll hand him. It's just a labor of love. But this first time, and then once we do cut him down, and you want him to be longer, it's just a consistent. He needs condition. Condition is the main thing for dogs. A lot of people, they just shampoo him, but they forget the condition. He has to have condition on it because he's gonna be double coated. He's gonna be great because he's a Yorkshire Terrier, but I'm sure
Santana.
someone in the bloodline. He's a silky coat, and silky coats are always that blonde color that's coming out of his head. They're always blonde.
He gonna look like Pepper Ann.
Yeah, he's gonna. I'm right here, man. Baby, leave her alone. Come over here. Come here. Come here.
Santana. Look at him getting ready because he hears somebody.
You're not mad at me, are you? No. You say, who that man touching me? Who that man touching me?
Ooh, he's bigger than me.
That's a girl. They're both girls.
He likes big dogs.
What's she burn? South African
Stop. Danny.
So do y'all have any dogs that are more difficult for y'all to work with, or you just
Ones that haven't been properly introduced to grooming.
Him.
Well, no, I mean he's not even. He's good. Honestly, he's good. He's
Molly done been.
I'm just kind of excited to actually break it because it's really breaking the dog in. You got to break him in, but if you don't do it gently, then the dog is traumatized. You know, if you slam the dogs around, it's kind of crazy. It should be an enjoyable experience.
Wait, what time he coming?
10.
Oh, dang. I'm gonna be at work.
I'm gonna be the chauffeur for both of them.
Okay. Yeah, that should be. And then even when you come in, just come in with confident energy. Let them know they're okay.
Well, Molly done. She used to it.
Okay.
But what is she getting? She don't need no haircut.
She don't need a haircut.
So if she's a
got
Jack
that-
Russell.
She's a Jack Russell.
Conditioning. She's a condition.
Now, what kind of packages do you have for them?
What the? Let me get you.
Sandy. Come here, Sandy. Say hi to your people. Say hi to your channel. Say hi to your channel.
You want your mom?
I
You
don't
want your
know.
mom?
What the all is?
She on a special food.
This is shit. I tell people, this is shit. Gluten-free chicken.
Don't feed him too.
Don't feed him. He only eats Tuesday morning. He's gonna be too curious and too nervous and all excited, so he don't need to eat. And then when he gets home, then you celebrate him with food and let him get everything.
Right.
Sandy. Look. Say hi. No. I said say hi.
Her dog got his own little YouTube channel and a little Instagram.
He got an
He
Instagram.
got Instagram.
He be on my YouTube.
His little,
Say hi, Sandy.
Beautiful dog though. She
Sandy.
got a lot of followers. She right here in St. Louis. She said, and she owns a hair salon. She was like, she got more followers. So he should be fine. He should be fine. What set you off for trusting the shears versus our blade? He's kind of staying true to his blade cut. So if you see teddy bear cuts online, the hair is probably that thin. It's just outlined really good.
Well, that girl at PetSmart, his hair wasn't like this in the top. She messed it
Yeah,
up.
he got some bad bangs.
Okay. Well, see, they do. If you look at how his hair is, how it naturally grows, he has a split here. So this is always going to be there. The cowlet is always going to be there. So as groomers, the ear, we cut in front of the ear, and we cut the head. So this is the way that we're cutting. So he's always going to have some bangs. Always. He's going to have some bangs. Now, we thin it out, and
His teeth are gonna come out.
like these are going to stay. But yeah.
He got them
See,
teeth
those are-
short. He bit me.
they
And
so cute and little.
he got his rabies shot
He's
though.
5 months.
Both of them
He'll be 6 on the
vaccinated.
first,
Yeah, so he's already lost most.
They got that COVID shots too.
and we just didn't know.
I'm just playing. Wait, he already lost his
He
teeth?
lost them all. Yeah, but those ones, those other pigtails on the bottom, yeah, those are his new.
I'm kind of nervous about Santana getting his haircut, y'all, because I feel like he gonna look like a little rat. But Paul and Isaac, the owners, reassured us that he will be fine. And they was nice and they black owned. So if y'all in St. Louis and y'all got dogs, let me know. And I will let y'all, give y'all the information because I think he gonna be good. They were like very nice and super knowledgeable about dogs. Like, yeah. I don't know. I'm scared for Tanny.
Me too.
Because he don't listen.
No, I'm not that part because people who know how to deal with them. But I'm talking about.
I'm scared about the haircut though.
He know what he doing.
Well, I know that. I was just saying they were super nice, but I'm talking about I'm scared of how he gonna look. Because if he come out looking different, he gonna have to stay here.
Look how low this is.
Ooh, I hope he don't have to look like that because that dog look a mess. I don't know because they already said his hair gonna be low. So we gonna see. We are going to see. Look at him hype. And Santana, you ready to get your hair cut? You scared?
Mine gotta be cut.
You scared, Santana? Are you scared, man? You don't see that car coming? Goodness. Let me put my... Well, people trying to vlog and stuff. Let me put my seatbelt on, y'all. Hold on a second. So I can't get in the car without putting my seatbelt on with folks.
Y'all getting something to eat?
Cause she be driving crazy. Like she never passed her car.
Y'all getting something?
Mama, we are getting something to eat, but we obviously wouldn't get it from over here. We don't even know what this is.
We on West Florissant. We in the hood. We on Goodfellow.
Where is there to eat right here?
There's a Lee's back there.
I ain't eating on Goodfellow. I can't do it. I can't do it. Look at how cute he is. He's so adorable. You're so adorable. Everybody say he cute. You know you did a good job picking your dog when literally every time somebody see him, he get compliments. Like, I wish somebody would say my dog was ugly.
Who let
the dogs out?